Hello dear students, good morning. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in online geometry class. Today we will continue the same lesson, that is lesson number 3, how many squares. This is a footprint of a tiger. We have to find which shape covers the biggest area. Here we will not count each squares. We have to make big squares and rectangles as shown in the figure to find the area faster. Make big squares and rectangles in such a way that it covers only complete squares. After that, we have to identify the largest square and rectangle within the shape to know their area, and then count small squares present inside them. From these 5 shapes, we can see that the shape at the bottom occupies more area than rest all other shapes. The given rectangle consists of 2 squares. So, its area is 2 square centimeter. A diagonal divides the rectangle into 2 equal parts, forming 2 equal triangles. So, the area of each triangle is half the area of the rectangle. So, the area of each triangle is 1 square centimeter. The given rectangle consists of 8 squares. So, area of this whole rectangle is 8 square centimeter. The shape shown divides the rectangle into 2 equal parts. So, the area of this blue shape is half the area of rectangle. That is, half of 8 is 4 square centimeters. Six shapes are given in the following figure. You are supposed to find the area of all these 6 shapes. For finding area of any shape, we have to find the number of complete squares, then the number of more than half filled squares, and then find the number of exactly half filled squares. Since 2 half filled squares make 1 full square, so if the number of half filled squares are 10, then we will consider 10 upon 2, that is 5 squares only. First, let us consider the area of triangle. Area of triangle A is area of 3 complete squares plus area of 3 more than half filled squares. Here, exactly half filled squares are not there. So, 3 plus 3 is 6 square centimeters. So, area of triangle is 6 square centimeter. Now, we will find the area of a square. Area of a square B is area of 4 complete squares plus area of 8 half filled squares plus area of 4 quarter filled squares. Here, more than half filled squares are not there. Since 2 half filled squares make a full square. So 8 half-filled squares will make 8 divided by 2, that is 4 full squares. And 4 quarter-filled squares make 1 full square. So 4 plus 4 plus 1, that is 9 square centimeters. So area of square B is 9 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of shape C. Here in shape C there are 2 complete squares and 2 more than half filled squares. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So area of shape C is 4 square centimeter. Here exactly half filled squares are not there. Now we will find the area of shape D. 5 complete squares are there in shape D and 2 half-filled squares are there. Children, already you know the 2 half-filled squares make 1 full square. Here more than half-filled squares are not there. So 5 plus 1 is 6 square centimeters. So area of shape D is 6 square centimeter. Now area of shape E. In shape E there are 18 complete squares. Then 6 exactly half-filled squares, which make 3 full squares. More than half-filled squares are not there. So 18 plus 3 is 21 square centimeter. Area of shape E is 21 square centimeter. Now area of shape F. In shape F, 4 complete squares are there and 4 more than half-filled squares are there. In this figure, exactly half-filled squares are not there. So 4 plus 4 is 8 square centimeter. Area of shape F is 8 square centimeter. Five squares are there in first line, 5 squares are there in second line, 5 squares in third line and 5 squares in fourth line. So we have 4 lines of 5 squares. So this big rectangle occupies 20 squares. The area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. 2 triangles are given, one blue and the other red. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. So the area of blue triangle is half area of big rectangle, that is half of 20, that is 10 square centimeter. So the area of blue triangle is 10 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of red triangle. A big rectangle is divided into 2 parts, orange rectangle and green rectangle. In orange rectangle, first line consists of 3 squares, second line also 3 squares, third line consists of 3 squares and fourth line also consists of 3 squares. Orange rectangle occupies total 12 squares. So area of orange rectangle is 12 square centimeter. Green rectangle occupies total 8 squares. So area of green rectangle is 8 square centimeter. Red triangle divides orange rectangle into half and green rectangle into half. So area of red triangle is half the area of orange rectangle plus half the area of green rectangle. That is, half of 12 is 6 and half of 8 is 4. So 6 plus 4 is 10 square centimeter. So area of red triangle is 10 square centimeter. So we conclude that both blue triangle and red triangle have same area, that is 10 square centimeter. But see the difference, they look different. So even though blue triangle and red triangle look different, their area is same. We can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this given rectangle. Now draw 5 more triangles having area 10 square centimeters. This triangle are as shown. All these triangles have area 10 square centimeter. Complete the shape, page number 42. Two sides of a shape are drawn. Now you have to complete the shape with 2 more sides so that its area is 10 square centimeter. The picture shows one such shape. Let us find the area of this shape. Green area is area of 2 complete squares plus area of 4 exactly half-filled squares. Children, you know that 4 exactly half-filled squares make 2 full squares. So 2 plus 2 is 4 square centimeter. Green area is 4 square centimeter. Now yellow area. 3 complete squares are there in yellow area plus and 3 more than half filled squares are there. Exactly half filled squares are not there. So 3 plus 3 makes 6 square centimeter. So yellow area is 6 square centimeter. Now area of whole shape is green area plus yellow area is 4 plus 6 is 10 square centimeter. Another shape is shown here. If the shape is drawn differently like this one, still the area remains same, that is 10 square centimeter. Let us check. Green area is area of 2 complete squares plus area of 4 half filled squares. So 2 plus 2, because 4 half filled squares make 2 full squares. So that is 4 square centimeter. So green area is 4 square centimeter. Blue area is area of 2 complete squares plus area of 4 more than half filled squares. That is 2 plus 4 equals to 6 square centimeter. So blue area is 6 square centimeter. Now area of complete shape is green area plus blue area. That is 4 square centimeter plus 6 square centimeter gives us 10 square centimeter. Two ways already we have seen related to completing the shape. Now can you think of some other way of completing the shape? Yes, the figure shows another way of completing the shape. Now let us find the area of this shape. Area of upper triangle is area of two complete squares plus area of 4 exactly half filled squares. Children, you know that 4 half filled squares make 2 full squares. So 2 plus 2 is 4. So area of upper triangle is 4 square centimeter. Now we will find the area of lower triangle. That is area of 3 complete squares plus area of 1 more than half filled squares plus area of 4 exactly half filled squares. So 4 half filled squares make 2 full squares. So 3 plus 1 plus 2, that is 6 square centimeter. Area of lower triangle is 6 square centimeter. So the area of this shape is area of upper triangle plus area of lower triangle is 4 plus 6, that is 10 square centimeter. Thank you. Hope to meet you in next session now.